Hi guys, my name is Kelly and I'm from Chef Savvy, and today I'm excited to show you my recipe for the best chicken parmesan. This recipe will rival any of your favorite takeout recipes, and the best thing about it is I share my tips and tricks for making the best crispy, crunchy crust. No soggy breading here. You guys are gonna love this recipe. Let me show you how to make it. To start, I slice my chicken breast in half so it's nice and thin and cooks evenly. Next, to shallow bowls, I added my egg, flour, and breadcrumbs. For the breadcrumb mixture, I add almost equal parts Parmesan cheese as I do breadcrumbs. It adds a nice saltiness and so much flavor. I also add in garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasonings. Next, I dredge the chicken breast in flour, egg, and then the breadcrumb mixture. I find when breading any kind of chicken or meat that it helps to use two hands during the breading process. I use one hand for wet ingredients and one hand for dry ingredients. This helps keep the breading on the chicken and off of your hands. Next, I add a couple tablespoons of olive oil to a large cast iron skillet. It's nice to pick one that has higher sides so it doesn't splatter as much. I like to cook it over a nice high heat so the outside gets golden brown. My first tip for keeping the breading nice and crunchy is to actually melt the cheese before adding on your tomato sauce. The cheese acts as a barrier and keeps the sauce off of the breading, which keeps it from getting soggy. I also like to use block, low moisture mozzarella versus pre-shredded cheese. I find it melts so much better and has more flavor. After the cheese is broiled and melty, I top the chicken with warm tomato sauce. You can use store-bought or make your own. I also like to serve some extra on the side for dipping. Top with fresh basil and serve. I hope you guys enjoy this chicken parmesan as much as I do. Make sure to follow me on YouTube for more easy recipes.